Welcome to 2013. 2013 is a very amazing year in many senses. Like 2013, first of all, before I tell you the significance of it, people think 13 is an unlucky number. They have to wipe out this idea from their mind. 13 is not an unlucky number. 13 is same number like other numbers are. That is just a wrong idea in their mind. 2013, in significance of 2013 is, if you add it together, it becomes 6. And 6 number plays a big role in human's life. It plays a role for everyone actually, but human understand it more because human has a developed mind. On the other hand, animals, they lack it. So that's what I used word human. They understand it. 6 resolution in your life. It will change your life fully. It will be fully transformed. Before I tell this 6 resolution, let me talk about 2012. 2012 people were very afraid, scared that it is going to be the end of the world. But I told people all the time, don't be scared, don't be fearful. It is just an energy shift. And this energy was shifting, and it brings a good idea, this energy. Maybe a little bit natural disaster happen on the way, but it is still has a good impact on human's life, even on animals' life, on this whole planet. 6 number. 6 number tells you that there are living beings everywhere on the 6 places. Be careful not to kill them. You dig the earth 1 foot down, there are full of bacteria. That's why we call it Mother Earth. It is alive because there are bacteria. It produces a lot of food. Mother Earth, don't disturb it. Second, Upkai. Upkai is like in the water. Water is a body of the bacteria. And think we have to swallow it. Without that we cannot survive. But don't waste it. Teukaya. Teukaya is like a Tejas. Tejas is a fire. Certain bacteria, they are born only in that hot environment, hot atmosphere. So fire, whatever you see the flame, it is bacteria's body. We cannot put fire in the forest. We cannot put fire uselessly anywhere because it can disturb our planet. Vayukaya. Vayu is air, what we breathe. Whatever we breathe, it has all bacteria. But without that, we cannot survive. We don't have control over it. There are more than 700,000 kind of gases in this planet actually. So be careful not to disturb them. Take whatever you need. Vanaspatikaya, 5th one. All this vegetation, they are alive. They are full of living being, bacteria. So if you need it for survival, you take that fruit, or if you need anything, take that, but be thankful to it. Like the American native, sometimes they take the plant and they pray before they take it. So be thankful. When you are thankful, it means you are not disturbing them. Traskaya. From little bug to elephant, whatever you see, human, animals, birds, they are moving. So they are all living beings. Don't disturb them. 6 places, be careful on this year because the 6 number, it is telling you that don't kill anyone. Don't disturb anyone unless you have to survive. But survive only vegetation. Vegetation is alive, but it is in unconscious state. When it is unconscious state, they don't know what is happening around. So all these feelings, emotions doesn't come like animals. If you kill animal, torture animal, all their emotions comes to the meat. That's what it will disturb your DNA, your blood system. So be vegetarian in this year because it's significant. Also, if you can do 6 regulation, it will change your whole system, whole life. And the shift 2012 brought here, it will really transform that shift to your life. First resolution, you just make it that I don't want to kill anyone whole of this year. No human, no animals, no birds. Killing is not good. Follow the non-violence. Principle of non-violence is the best. So if you can follow it, it will going to change your life fully, because you will be very much aware about it. Be loving in this year. Then make this resolution. I want to love everyone, every single living being, whoever is on this earth or in this universe. Love it all. You want to be compassionate. 3rd resolution you can make. 4th, you can make this resolution that I don't want to be negative, or I don't want to be angry. 5th one, I don't want to be jealous. If you make these resolutions, you will be surprised. Your life will begin to change, and life needs to change, needs to be transformed fully. If you follow these resolutions, you will be surprised that other people begin to notice change in your life, because you are becoming different person. Different in a way, in a positive way, that you are becoming more loving, compassionate, not too angry, not to be jealous, not to be negative, always positive. So this way, they will change. And when you change it yourself, remember, don't try to change others. It is not in your hand. Just you change. If you follow these resolutions this whole year, you will be surprised. Your life will have some special meaning, because transformation will happen. I will give you one practical thing if you want to really change your this year, because this year is full of energy, and it is positive energy, spiritual energy. This world can be much better if you will follow this. Follow for yourself this one, at least practical. I will call this technique is Nadi Shodhan. Nadi Shodhan is a technique, very ancient technique from the yogic system. And Nadi Shodhan can make you very much healthy and joyful and happy, because it clears your all the main nerves. Nadi means nerves, Shodhan means purification. If you can purify all your main nerves, your life will be very much healthy. Your head especially will be very much clear, and your thoughts clear. You will think positively all the time. So let me teach you this Nadi Shodhan. You need a right hand with ring finger and thumb. With ring finger you close your left nostril, and thumb you close your right nostril. So you do breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in twice. First through the right nostril. I will show you in the slow motion, then I will show in the fast motion. First is like breathe out first. Out, in, out, in. When you breathe out, your stomach goes in. When you breathe in, your stomach comes up. So Do the same way from the other side. Close your right nostril with your thumb. This is slow motion. If you do little faster, it will be like this. This technique, Nadi Shodhan, can bring lot of clarity in your life, and you will be very much positive person. Whole of this year, don't worry about this year. It is not an unlucky year. It is a very good year. Be positive, be compassionate, be loving towards human, towards animal, towards birds, towards the whole planet, and you will be totally transformed. Jai Siddhatma. So that's why the best thing is, if you meet a real master, you don't need information at all.
Right.
Because no matter what you do, master will destroy your information.